Imagine a full multi-page website that uses Adobe Spark Pages to manage the content. Now, Adobe Spark Pages is a fantastic free application that can be used on your computer, your iPad, iPhone, and it allows you to easily create and manage website pages with extremely rich content. Now, you can use Spark Pages by going to spark.adobe.com and sign up for a free account. Simply click on the Start Now for free and use any one of the various methods available to create your free account. Now, I already have an Adobe account, so I'm simply going to log in. And once you've created your account and logged in, you can start creating Adobe Spark content. Now, Adobe Spark allows you to create as many individual Adobe Spark pages as you want. And as you can see in my account, I've created quite a few individual pages. The drawback to using Adobe Spark traditionally is that it only allows you to create these individual pages. In other words, you can't create a full multi-page website. It doesn't allow you to combine the pages into a single entity that you can host on your own hosting service and use your own domain name in order to see those pages. You have to create the pages on your Adobe account and then link to them on the Adobe servers. So they are fantastic to use, but they're only an individual page at a time. Nerds, however, has came up with a very unique way of allowing you to create as many Adobe Spark pages as you would require and use them within a website that you can host on your own hosting service. So in other words, you can create and host your own website, have individual pages that allow you to click whatever page you want the person to see. It allows you to have a contact page as well as social networking linkage and contact information, etc., just like a normal website would. The nice part about having this Nerds Spark website is that it allows you to use Adobe Spark to actually manage the individual pages and their content. So it makes it a very easy website to manage, but at the same time it gives you the full functionality of a full-blown website. And I'm going to click on this first one, the photography page. Now this is the exact page that was used as the home page for our demo website. So if I go back to the demo website tab that I have open here, you'll see that this is an Adobe Spark page that I've created, and it's used within this fictitious Spark Photos website that we've created. And we've also created this website with additional pages that have been created, as well as contact and social networking links, etc., just like you'd find on a regular website. Now, just to show you how easy it is to actually change or modify the content on these websites, we're going to make some changes to this home page. So I'm going to go back to Adobe Pages. I've already opened up the page and I want to replace this photo. So I'm simply going to click on the photo, click on the replace icon, and I'm going to choose a different photo to use. We'll use this one. Now I could also edit additional content on the page. If I wanted to move the title around, I could do that. I can also go in and edit any of the textual content that's currently there. And I can edit the actual photo grids or any of the photo content that I have. But for now, we'll just replace this background image. And when I want to commit that change, I just simply click on the share and then click on update the link. Now, once it's been updated, If I go back to the actual live demo website that we have and simply click on the refresh, immediately the change that we just made is now live on the web, and anybody viewing the website would see the changes that have been made. Now, to take this one step further, just to show you how easy it is to manage the content of a page, let me go over to one of the other pages that we've got in this demo website, and it's the About the Artist page. We basically have no content in here at the moment, just a title, and I believe, yes, we do have our Nerd Software logo and contact information, etc. But that's it. So if we go back to Adobe Spark, go back to the individual pages that we've created, we can go to the Meet Susan page, which is the page that we're using here. And I'm going to add a photo to this background landing area. And I'm going to choose it from the Creative Cloud account that I have. And we're going to use this image. I'm going to also change the placement of this text, and we'll put it right in front of the camera. And I'm also going to add some textual information to the page. So I'm simply going to click on this little plus icon. Select text. Now, as you can see, I could add any other type of content that I might want to. I can add photos, links, YouTube or Vimeo video content, add photo grids. So there's a lot that I can do using Adobe Spark. But for now, we're just going to add some text. And I already have some text on my clipboard, so I'm simply going to paste the text that I have prepared. And once I've made these changes, I'm just going to click on the share icon and then update the link. Now, once I've made those updates, if I go back to the live website and refresh that page again, you'll see that immediately the content has been updated and the website has now got all of those changes that I just made. It's that easy. Adobe Spark Pages is also available for free on your iPad and your iPhone. So you can easily manage your website content while you're on the go as well. So if you'd like to have your very own website that uses Adobe Spark Pages to manage the content, please feel free to contact Nerd Software at nerdsoftware.com. We look forward to hearing from you.